Namaste Yogis, I'm Samarthya from Bodsphere. Thank you so much for stopping by my YouTube channel named Bodsphere. So today we'll be doing the yoga for diabetes. So all the asanas will help you not just getting rid of diabetes, improving your diabetes, but will also improve your physical and emotional well-being. So all the organs will get stimulated, all the healthy functions inside the body will get stimulated. So let's get started. So today we'll be starting off with our eyes closed and just spending quality time with ourselves. So you can just sit in cross-legged position or sukhasana on your mat, and you can place your palms in Mahamudra. So this is the Mahamudra. So open palm position when the palms are facing towards the ceiling or the sky. So see if you can keep your spine straight. Let's close our eyes. You may relax your shoulders. Let's not make a hunch with our spine like this. Just make sure that you are sitting tall and comfortably. Let's just sit comfortably and easily. Feel the weight of your body rested on the floor. You are spending quality time with yourself. It's just you, your body and the mind as you are sitting with your eyes closed. Let's just bring our breath to its own natural rhythm. So let's take a normal, long and deep breath in. And let it go. You can also keep a very gentle smile on your face. It will make things a lot easier. Another normal deep breath in. And as you breathe out, relax the entire body from head to toe. And slowly and gently let's become aware of our body and the surroundings. And whenever you feel comfortable and whole, you may gradually open your eyes. So it's time to move on to the asanas, to the practical part. So you have to take it easily, yeah? So just do as much as you can. So let's get started. So let's stretch our right arm onto the right side. And let's take our left arm up. Let's stretch a bit before we move on to the asanas. Feel the stretch on your sides as your left arm goes up. Let's just hold for 5 sweet seconds and keep smiling throughout the session. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's move on to the opposite side. Let your body flow from one pose to another. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And let's all come back and let's stretch our legs in front. I will be demonstrating like this so that I am completely visible. All right, so before we bend forward, you can just place your palms next to you and you can just shake your legs. You can shake your thighs just to open them up. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And let's adjust our seat. You can sit comfortably. So we are going to do the seated forward bend known as Paschimottanasana. So you can just grab your hamstrings first just to straighten up your spine. The toes are pointed towards you. There is very little gap between your feet. Let's just stay over here for 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You may take out your arms and as you inhale, lift your arms up. And as you exhale, you may bend forward. You can grab your feet and let's just stay in this beautiful pose. So you'll feel a very good stretch in your hamstrings, in your knees, around your calf muscles. And as you inhale, you may lift up your arms. And as you exhale, you may bring your arms down. And in this position itself, let's place our left foot on the outer part of the right leg. Yes, it's close to the right knee. All right, so let's fold our right leg. Yeah, so your arm, the right arm will get wrapped around the left leg to actually hold on to your left ankle. Your left palm is behind you and you are looking back. So let's just stay in this comfortable position for a couple of seconds. So in this pose itself, if you cannot hold your ankle, if you cannot hold it like this, okay, no problem. You can also push your leg out in this direction. Yes, like this. You can just push it using your tricep, or else you can just grab your left ankle. Let's just stay in this pose for 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And let's relax. You may relax your right leg, you may relax your left leg as well. And let's move on to the opposite side. So this time the right foot goes on the outer part of the left leg and the left leg gets folded so that the left heel is touching the right hip. So you are not exactly sitting on the heel, but it is just touching. Yeah, so you can place your right foot close to the left knee. Yeah, so your right palm will go behind you close to the right hip. Now you are supposed to grab your right ankle using your left palm and you have to look back for a couple of seconds. Let's just stay in this pose for at least 10 seconds. You'll feel a very good stretch in your spine and in the entire body, in fact. For 10, 9, keep smiling, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And let's come out of the pose, one organ at a time. And in this position, let's just spread our arms in front. Let's go down in the puppy dog pose. Who doesn't love puppy dog pose? I love it. So your arms are spread in front, they are extended in front, and your hips, they are off the ground. And let's just stay over here. Take long and deep breath in and out through your nostrils. from here itself, let's go down and let's come in the Sphinx pose. So for that, you have to make sure that your forearms, they are rested on the floor, and your elbows, they are in line with the shoulders. Yes, so your palms are completely spread out and you are looking up. So it's also very effective for your lower back, and you have to make sure that you don't slouch like this. Yes, it's a very bad posture. So let's just keep our spine engaged, our shoulders engaged, and let's all look up in this beautiful pose. For 10 seconds, let's just stay over here. Let's take long and deep breath in. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And let's all lie down. And from here itself, let's just get up and let's lie down on our spine. I will be demonstrating like this so that I'm completely visible when I'm lying down on my spine. All right, my arms are next to my thighs. Let's just catch our breath in Shavasana. Take long and deep breath in and out through your nostrils. So let's just take proper rest in Shavasana before we move on to the other asanas. Give proper rest to your body in between. You don't have to go too fast. And from here itself, let's move on to other asanas. So let's get ready for Sarvangasana, for the shoulder stand. So for that, you have to do as much as you can. If you can do it, go ahead. If you cannot, please don't do it. Just take care of your body. You are your own doctor. Yes, you know about your body better. So just take it easy. So let's all bend our knees and take our spine up. Lengthen up your spine. Push your spine using your palms. Your elbows are quite close to each other. Let's just stay over here for 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just release your palms just a bit. You may relax your back just a bit to go in Halasana. So you can place your palms on the floor and your knees are engaged. For 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And while engaging your back, your legs, your toes, let's just bring our legs very slowly towards the floor, and let's just take proper rest in Shavasana once again. Who doesn't love Shavasana? It's my favorite. Let's just rest in Shavasana for a couple of seconds. Just like your body, your mind also needs a lot of attention. As you lie down in Shavasana or the corpse pose, let's just make sure that our heartbeat is at its own natural rhythm. It's neither too fast nor too slow. And from here itself, let's all turn on to the right side. and taking the support of your palms, let's all get up. Okay, so these were the asanas that you can do if you are suffering from diabetes. Of course, you can do in your daily life also. So yoga is something that is extremely holistic, yes. So it's not just focusing on your physical well-being, but on your emotional, spiritual, on intellectual well-being also. So we post a lot of videos related to yoga, fitness, health, nutrition. So you can just go through all the videos, and if you have any questions of any sort, you can just drop your queries in the comment section below. We'll surely answering all of them. Yes, and please don't forget to like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And till then, just stay safe. Just spend quality time with your family and friends, and keep doing yoga, keep exercising, and just stay healthy and fit. Till then, namaste and take care everyone.